welcome back to the channel. One step behind, we have yet another Aetherdrift pre-release kit. Alright, let's just get into it. Let's see what we can get. Alright. Let's see here. Dice. Alright. See what our promo is. Voyager Glide Car. Not the best. It's not really good at all. We got 6 packs. Let's get down to it. Probably just try to go through these quicker. You guys probably seen these cards a million times by now. To the rare. Here's one. Metacamp Core Guide Light, and then River Churn Monument. Ooh, and a foil rare. Demonic Junker. Backwards. Cut to the uncommons. Should be the rare, Full Throttle. I believe that's a good one. And here's our foily card. These are pretty easy to open. Alright. Get to the good stuff. Got it stuck together. Market Walkers are rare. Foil is Gear Seeker Serpent. Alright. Point away, if there's Siphon, Hour of Victory, Veteran Beast Rider. Our rare is Ganosaur Rex. And then air response units. 2 packs left, guys. Alright. Cards seem kind of messed up at the top. Rare Mythic. Alright. Bright Glass Gearhawk. Nice. Yeah, foil. Our card. Alright, last pack. So it's 2 rare pack. Draconautics Engineer is the first rare. The Winter Curse Rider is the second. And then we got a Tyrian World Tyrant as the foil. So what do we get? Mythic, Bright Glass Gearhawk. Oops. Alright guys, thanks for watching again. See you guys on the next video. Bye.